kakra. Confused woman. Confusing a confused generation. Unim dia woka. Onim dia woka. She's confused. Because in some manner woka you na NCC they were not making sense. They were not making sense. Woko America koko wi a chain. Ade na wan kwa mami gold fie. Mami gold no wonim do won sama waka ya record this scooter. Me say every now and then I'm going to come out. I am going to come out with evidence each day bia for asem wenti. Because truths need to stand. Light need to overshadow darkness. What? Now what you want a confused woman. Who confused generation. And a kakra shamodi abasariki or abasariki sompo. Oh, but oh, crowd broke out in 9 who chamu reja or ma we ko fa. Sa kwa Jimmy Fuana, we are also a premise bell no. Kodan pokrano, ya nkasa wo sa de wo ya oba wutie. Obi nkoswo ya girl ne ya. Sa me de chat ne kire mu. Me de chat ne kire mu do de na dafo Tracy Boache. Sa me de akire mu. Na dafo Tracy Boache de ode ye no. Sa me de akire mu. Mo hu ni nyina. Me see evidence nsem wo ho. Ensem ehhehye sumase. Wono na dafo no one ne koba no. Na dafo no one ne koba no. Mo de ode ye no. Na dafo no nti. Na dafo no ni mi so wusu nkasa because of afia. You call this a friend? Nipa we bet nas no chantro. What be chantro say? Aisha gave me the money in public. Time and I ye pena birthday. And Aisha this kind of mommy. Me pa chow evidence of 4 or 5 different transactions. A course to a church was nega din una me de chere mo no. Me pa chow eno ni ye din ya. You are lying. Lying. Upon being ungrateful, you are still lying. Upon being ungrateful, Nana Jewa, you are still lying. Na come deal with her. Na ko says nkrofo companies. Egugu nkrofo awade. E ma nkrofo ni bu ase no. Wo ma bi mu shedam mu su. I know somebody I was say, afia ka asema wo shedam mu su ye. Nkrofo agewe ma manya depression wo Ghana ha na no wo de ase wo ma wade. Na no wo ebi nkura fa ma wu ya nim yante. Na time so say come deal with her. Now what be jina honum do you envy her? You envy her. Mimi envy a Afia Schwarzenegger. Na tornado ka say Afia Schwarzenegger nin kraman dan. Won so be defend this statement neda. Na tornado ka so ni Afia Schwarzenegger ko Kumasi a. Wo mu ko Kumasi no. Ah China for bi ba so mo nin kraman konkoda. Na mo nje $5,000 on na tornado so won timi nya sad na Afia di China for na chi. Ekwa ya oba betu to $5,000 go na tornado so no. Sa asem na tornado ka say fia ne nkraman dan. Have you seen her defending that statement before? And to give me a single reason to envy a woman. One nkraman that said bijijiska, because this is a statement by na tornado Afia have never been able to come out to defend say enye no kore. That be na tornado ba kan say be Afia ba live asema what can say a friend is saying madin kraman manya ska ni osu kwedi bi do abesre stand the bi no of course she hasn't even been able to say me nya yeda enti me envy obi on kraman da hey wo papa na hu we no se mo yale me se mo yale a se me envy na mo me physically down mo ni me on oba 10 gram wa mijina me na so ani mo nyam nya chi nyam nchemu nyam mfimfini nyam nyina me wo bi se me ma ba ba envy tapo square on munya sha kwasa asam ne kan no kore wo hoi na nipa ntimi nka na ye se no kore no ye beka akopem se ebewu me da mada I'm at peace. I drink only when I go out and I want to have fun. Somebody who doesn't sleep without taking alcohol. Dr. Tiana and Sanso Fiant me giant sanom. Mimi envy sa nipa no. In my small little apartment, me damu kitwa biya mitiya hanye fe ura hanye fe. Come and see peace. Be ha me ni nuanom. Come and see harmony. Me mpe we wa hu. Na obia ne ma me kura do me na ne ma me mpo ma ne nchen. Wona me di bebre no. What you guys saying? Mo sure no kra na ye ka no kra. Ena ne maame. Empress Selikem pato betimi asan ade ohun o live no mu bi why enche mesan meye why Empress ubetimi ade ohun now so come akoma so asem we say please add me. I want to talk. Abozege girl we did dinner na mama grow atam say na ma nwo awana na ma nwo no pato na ma fault or the beye video be di nyanko nsiranka na mesa sa atam so sa na na manyimo no de nyinse na sie ne yanim or beye video be ridicule no came to ridicule na nama hey ana beka modi awo ya amokofa ne he na monyema 6 months pepe na ma wi eya amokofa no he ana na ma de onyim ye owo ye ahihini wu ye awo kura wo de be ridicule no na sa nipa wei Nyankopon tia ne ka mo kama no ntuma na nkanya akache Nyankopon ko anfa ma mo ogugu nkrofo companies tia je na nim se ensuo ne yeto wabwa me say ya kodo me pillar 2 kwaje information free on be ka ono ane workers de be ka kire ono ane workers they will tell you say ensuo ne yeta waso no amoma pake boys no omo so no amoma pake ensuo na good track num apake fi factory we good track num no dey cha video o say kwa out kwa distribution o ya no asia twa kogu dem ho o ya no asia twa kogu dem so mo ye nsu a o kwa most water companies every day be mu twa nsu nso o mu ye nsu etim ku ho no 1 week 2 na nsan on ton wan nsan why na ton nsu de nsu no ho na to nsu a ye to ye hu o traffic mu ye hu say na ba bia wo o help life o man tam wo ho fi just take nsu ho wo o pena mineral water order wo o cash mineral water order nti wo gu wo bi de no nyame nso so be na mo bi so agu wo de Onam na hu ahi so ebegu no wonam twene Jonas so ebegu no Nyankopon wo se wo fa afedifo anim guase na ode ahira ne mma enti obefa afedifo na ma di hu fel na ye nhira ma obi a wagu ni company da kwana ko kan quotation na munya mommy and a fire emoji and a love and a fire emoji and we dey see Ghana ha get wadwuma odi dim crofom penifo abanmu penifo asukufo ne makokuma say hi ko di teachers na tem kuma say hi o mo yire fi have you all forgotten na braso say Nyankopon me say mo dey mo te Ghana ha bia say we me kan 2019 say fia wan ja woni ema no a Nipa ebe suretia wo eye wo mamate wantie me yete Ghana ha na mo recording to wo chale cocktail ni ya kama eye one Afrique alcoholic cocktail no hey eye come on wo apple grape lemon flavor very nice na onoma efa wo yo asa don't cover me ko ade fine eye kama pa pacho uko Instagram about one Afrique WANAFRIQUE one word one Afrique. Go send you a DM and one year a whole carton. Ye be deliver be diama baby. Oh, it's very nice. Food and drugs as you shame at the stamp so when ubi sushia. No one is a warnum. Come up out the chef fridge net chili crowd ya bobo. Oh, I know she's watching with fake accounts. And Uncle almost say I just was saying me kasa Ghana ha me pen attention on femino. Slow. Muni me kasa Ghana ha muni sleepless night me afia Schwarzenegger. Me kasa Ghana ha muni sleepless night me afia Schwarzenegger. Otimonya sleepless night a friend me boss. E wa adwuma mu anopatutu to me boss na anopatutu to awada sorry no obe hu afia Schwarzenegger call adanya that GH Mouthpiece girl is insulting me fire her. Tesa me man sleepless night me man headache. Na onim say obe kasa o public e be deadly e be time ti me din no public omo mama min cancer when I'm analysis bin chamu na mu jimie na mo di na tell say up and attention won fi wo ha se mitimi kasa manin da na otimi frame adwuma mu se yanyim adi that is to tell you how deep and some na make an econo and some make no reactions if you taking they are deeper than omo a wo betra na live reply omo they say kasa keke shallow talking keke me say me ya live and answer be kasa first say ga ho the next morning call Kingdom FM so yanyim adi wo frɛ na munyi na di mo fire no aboze go be radio station da o dam nkuku ni kaka na akosa me konko na engine ni mu na o sa go kitchen hokra bo wa anya ni ye na be frɛ obi so obi fire me enti mo amunnim what goes on when I talk no I'm telling you what goes in when I talk na ono a ode osofo ne yere no me se me ne ma me ngege ya adwen we dare Afia Schwarzenegger to fucking mention a single name almost of ni so your ba okrom hanam was ne nani adin ono no ye Afia Schwarzenegger ne twaso na no so ne bibia so ombo osofo ndi wo your ba we dare her to dare into her ancestral judgment almost of ndi so your ba and a papa na o ye na godmother. I said what the godmother's doors no. And you can say papa na godmother. Godmother dey here na wo kan. I shall put a penny say numpo or the respect mom to say godmother. And to godmother na mu dey him. Before they mention name and let us see so your ba okrum ha no mo a. Abozege oh do no no pass kasa bebe do e wo limit e o baby edura na si untimi nkontra ho me so your ba madel say me kasa wutie me timi kasa ma fra mo fa e ka chen so onyimedi me timi kasa ma fra mo fa ka chen so onyimedi enti I'm daring you say be boss of one ni yiridi ka be hu Ghana ha ka wa beti say hihia abozege asha mo de hu we no se zantana pantana as don't ko papa no kwaku otin oh sa papa ne de munya no I don't ko papa ne de munya no me wa pani me ma no ntram panimfu o mon study me wa hu on ka me sabe oyo obi papa e na wo bo na bra ne wanya ne sika so what you see ye nti say papa na illegal business bi anya ne sika so why illegal business bi na anya ne sika de anka me lose respect amano then I'll come to him but me nti bibia so obi papa munja papa no na why attack o mo papa ne problem no Zandi Kamel mo de mo te Ghana ha ma hu say Zandi Kamel si konde ma Tracy Boachi wo kromu ha na Tracy Boachi ntokwa bia grem na Zandi aginam na no Tracy Zandi aware na egu na munim no de mo mo ko renew vows no Zandi Kamel say Tracy Boachi na nka egu na ware no wasi Tracy Boachi na nka egu na ware no de mo mo ko renew vows na anu ya o enso mo Ghana ha mo nyina mo hu say de Zandi of fight de ma Tracy Boachi se mo hu ye Ansa Tracy Boachi no kra de Tracy Boachi o me ka kiro wo be jai sa our life na me first na the way me still peg girl na sem kro be ye cool kra no be pe na sem kaka me so oh girl you were cool nobody hates you o ye pe papa ne ma wo me 2019 me catch the fear so on dance sem hunu wanja ya e born na water bodan no o mo be ba no so in 1000 speeds no me kan ye no o tie ya nka na nya de o hunu nka o hu nka obi ne company na wa ye adwuma no nka obi an keka ho nsem but one tie eno this security blackmailing sikani brana we are rich we are this nsem hunu santi Tracy but you so tie me kan wa block me kan na kwa me baby an wa block me baby a tie na so for two ho for de to adanfo na na bi aka wo no of you say hwan kwa weni mako na ponche ne ate hu fifire no ene bi aka wo tie na so for two ho for kana for obi antan wo na grooming president mama no jai say wo smash my software so mo call in the guest house wo no jai say smash my software so mo call grooming president mama soft ho no na obane papa say abaye clear am ye hu obane papa and a grooming president so de ni picture to wa ye nim ne papa akwa na ni picture da ho no ma na ye hu ne papa he say abaye clear enti jai lady na se ma no jai lady no grooming president mama jai na life ma no na live wo de because na wo ne na pre ho akopa baby animonyama ma obane say de bane papa na o papa ene obane papa ana nei nyame ya dum wa da for fresh say ga no wakọ ke kawa bonten am ya te say obane papa eni pasumasi enti grooming president ma me no jane life ma no onu so akla no so mo amunim grooming president so ko grooming president for social media Instagram as see search grooming president hu akla na eno me na ka cha sa akla ne papa ni obi na hu akla no picture of phone stuff from say akla we dia anka ne papa anje pa dia anga na say di the man o say oba wo ye loyal ma be ma ne be ma ba konte no obetimi ne na atena owo a enye obi ne be ka cha sa akla ne bani enti jai priscilla asema no na jai so smash so for kwa the guest house wo airport east so omo nkwa hwe say guest house na priscilla dia na anya ne dia o dia twa so ya the document ne be bra wo ya ne ba be show nsam say Tracy J wo na wiase japade nyina fata wo twa so now okay they say why come want to come and say I'm liking you for that just what down for now can be count me be kasa I say they bebrebe na wo ye ne betimi akwati ya wo man what tie me why come we like that I love that me pede we say why come now why say woman do business no just say underground snitching na diamond cast man no akoka o cast man diamond akoka sa akoka sanke tinke dey e wa girls now for from and dey amamu kura enye Miss Aniama grooming president I know am so hu akwa na hu ni papa you obi na be ka kire eno ne eche ne se wawo anya akwa de ne be to edi papa for be 16 better agno anya ono nti ja akwa na my life man and I even like the way I Tracy say why calm no become like that nya girls kasa ne konkon sta we go ka che we na we ka che eno so cry ewom 3 circle of friends bia na you find that day You better find a way go catch away. Now we are catch away. Now we are catch away. Now we are catch away. Now somebody came to tell me say, "Hey, GH, over Sunday me video be an first as thing get di that man appear them say that man appear want to say fear. That man appear then home time nipa time penny. We hear about ni ma say fear. And the best don't say it's not the same that man appear they say all comment to a first as nigga video as and then I'm say chill. Na diamond no onim the oye. Diamond no. Why a smart woman, she knows what she's up to in Munjano. Until what Diamond was really up to, and now better and then what Diamond was really up to. What camp was our quadra fias was nigga or copenasable. What she was really up to, someone to Munchaso. I was for Madame say. Now, Munko subscribe to your YouTube no. Oh, untimon person member live for YouTube. Munko subscribe. I see 1,000 subscribers so. Asa yetimi akwa live. Oh, enti YouTube no me be ya ne say so Instagram ha ye be kakra no. Me be ya live for Instagram bi wo. Nsam na baba no me say me transformation so. Enye me so me tirim wa ha no. Makaka ma no to mu kura mu abi so akatakata bi so mpe akumi kurom ha. Me bi nyina na me kan ke be kume. Nti afa de be kakra no ye bi nyina ye move information nyina ko YouTube. Nti ko YouTuber GH space Mouthpiece TV. GH space Mouthpiece TV. Ukwa subscribe and click on the bell. Me buy live and now notification. Now swaba be authentic information baby nyansa kasa. Na my sister Penny be from us GH. Onim de ma me pe wasem be say the say o can no cry with wisdom. O can no cry with wisdom. O can no cry asem na o can no. What can no ko no wi na wa gyan no cry no so no wa tufo. E bi na futu a me de ma Tracy sesia no. So who de eto na down for no. Short code by Tracy. Ghanaians haven't attacked it because Tracy, who's a one be say will be a business. One be can will be answer in the business in Ghana for young attacking short code by Tracy. No, Shakira movies. Nobody is sabotaging Shakira movies because Obia unko attack will be a business. Until she won't ye. Men kasa cho feel wadan for no home. Wadan for the so kuta secret to be for like a can. And kwa for can say just say kuta secret. Buya unso cho ho feel say wom. And to be current sa. Mommy go, daughter follow, go. Na mo call na mo ba. Na mo call na mo basa. The tatarane sa na mum. Tatarane with wisdom. Tatarane with wisdom. Na wan ko influence so bebre. Ye nim say Tracy wani adin. But ni influence o de ma wo no e ko fa asem bra wo Ghana ha no mo ma. Wan ko no ntumu na nsan ya kakro mo ha wo hu de nka eto. This is an advice to you. Tracy Buache, this is an advice to you. Utie me am say 2019. If you as nigga tie me a me catch ni say fiam penifo atam didie yo e penifo atam didie yi ne say obi abedi na tam obeye video be huru na mama brand say wonwo ni nyina me be video no call viral rich ni pen or blocking me wantie nti Tracy nei hwa hu so ye me see afia de according to information say yet say no kura dia anya da betima te ho afi ni hu say e bi kra be gradual process na mom me mani influence negatively. And Master de Dennis answer who now obedi the last year. Said this year so. Emma Crofo bo within Kromu Hassan, who so few Kumase background. Now we are loud, but now we are calm industry. You know, people liked you. And to men yet, Kaihunu saw what businesses who was short called by Tracy. Kaihunu saw what businesses who was Shakira movies. And he said, one here. Now and then I'm no woman influence. So that's way round and all I am Crofo. And don't forget, we all will come after your businesses. I love you all. Hate for none, love for everyone. But no crying, dear, me say me the evidence about. I just say if your life not better, you know chantro. Ashamodi has given her money more than countless times. Countless times since was so oil the birthday can Asha brain is cash in some brain phone with nipple. And so me patcho evidence now me the buy no 5 different transactions na course. Or that Ashamodi pay slip or so no. Me patcho say evidence mo Valentina na jewa transactions now course no na. Patcho me din another transaction this one there. Me din that George Shema. Me din Valentina na jewa. Now Efia, there is still room for improvement. You can change. And yes, there be any pabesro sa. Mr. Ravon before na yede. And o masrewa na yira so ni ko tojo na osre. Na ni kuna so ni sisi na osre. Na we learn to be grateful. Obi ton so ma wonuma. Be grateful to that person. Unless somebody who has hate, e wonimu e mame. Obi ni hate wonimu mamia. Obi no be catch us em wato ade ba come mama you ungrateful to them da. Every day, mini baby and papa chi pala go baby obi am chia no. Every day, I have never gone to any platform and can't just say, he made me GH Mouthpiece. That is what we call gratefulness. Ono na mama ye when am me video na me dey na bloggers so me pa bloggers a chow mo post me na mo charge me 2,000 no. Achipalago didn't take a dime from me. Today be another catch and so a youth president. That is gratefulness. Ebia na enye sika o. Ebia na enye atade enye ka o. But effort be the bet word baby ni pa bet me the word baby. E na fifi prat ya de me ma me kodure e konya airtime. Me share amidst that no me kai said e papa no wa piase wo me film wa wo wo me film wa wo me wo achi wa wo me kom. Ono obetimi aka one time me da bia one thing about me me ne wona ma dia wo baya me no me hit maker said I me no what no woni me fefa me no fefa wo start say we deadly me deadly sen o kana betie to beto be say before wo start say na niema ko frefre yenyi medi wo daily tv ne eye fine for rainbow radio no be say sa time no mu no before be start say niema no na me just my no one single bonnet da na ombra out me kan bonnet kuro nya ba won nka onya bone ba ku ponka we rainbow radio ni daily tv onya ba ku ponka but ni nyina mu we still appreciate and say thank you boss what the meaning na mu radio who pinch me na wo sum me hwe na me sore na ma pepa me ho na wasen afra me na wa pa ma chaw na ma sen aba bla 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 ni ye adwuma so ni nyina mu ni na mu sa up and down sama ba benya ye time nti me da wase say ena mo so manya airtime me da na say read video text message you on the phone so no dey chire on crofo say ma be pa na chaw na even if I said sorry to you or 50 prat am I bigger than I'm sorry. And the message was clear. Say, hey, thank you. May dawasi. You should learn to be grateful. Obi ye bibi ke tobi obi abe dru bia nipa na your boni okai. Obi pisa me say, anka fabrica sponsor ka oni finya issue ja fabrica so. And I'm say me Gemini no oni mu kwata, but me fa me phone say me ya life na ma kai say, ene mo radio experience. U jam wo de me tena radio so me say radio station bi opa bia me say oni me or the 1 month pe e group me ma me be ye perfect or radio so ma afi na prime time show and na me hosti 1 month pe o group me e ma afi na me tina console achi a dey spoil there eno no ntina me kaya me fa phone na me the phone na iden ato wo se me ye life akwatia papa no memo na mase na ade asam me yenkonkoda na ansema me kan ye mo se me ba na sore mo hu asore nsema me kan ye fa bi nya afutuo you should learn to be grateful. Na yam dwene papa. Ni an dwene papa ye bibia ye dwene papa first. Na yan kan hu say de ye be ye wo wiase bia no e ho akatua ne pa che wo. Ye nje wo heaven babia o. Ahaya ne ebenya no. Ye te Ghana na afia so stay ga say Penaman Cosmetics less than 3 months ago. Enei enkwafo to the near in business so. Na come business and came to any so won. Madam Asebebre, me Masambebre, thank you. Thank you. Without zeal and cocktail ne dey me say one Africa. Now mo subscribe to your YouTube ni ntimi live on YouTube na mo kra mo pese mo. I go vex you. So man ko subscribe to YouTube. Me no me jam angaza. Me jam angaza. I love you so much, Mr. Manuel. Everybody, mean to me, body nina. Juniors, think about yourself and stop all this involving people's beef. Oh, uni munyansa. Kawa be kanyansa. Some na makana for Jimmy Fido. One munyansa kana me kan. Fa kwasi akoda na me nyem ho. I love you. Good night. Mama yenye papa. Yenye papa ni yehu se boni bi ebe ye no. Eso akatia. Ejina Africa he.